Hi, my name is Ashley Witt. I am originally from Northern Virginia. I went to Randolph-Macon College where I studied education and played soccer. And after college, I decided to stick around the area. And for the past 3 years, I was teaching in Chesterfield, and I'm currently transferring counties. So I'm now teaching fifth grade in Hanover County, which is a lot closer from home and a shorter commute for me. So I'm very excited about that. Um, my experience with online learning is that I am in my last semester of getting my master's in blended and online learning, which I'm very excited about to finally have some free time back in my life. Um, but I am not teaching blended or online. I'm just a regular classroom fifth grade teacher, and I try to incorporate um, activities or units where I can. The school I'm currently at is not very tech savvy, so I'm going to have to figure out ways to work around it this semester. For this game, my two truths and a lie, or the lie detector as we're calling it. My first one is my whole family went to George Mason. My second one is that I swam with sharks. And my third one is that I hate traveling. Good luck guessing which one's wrong.